This play begins with runners at first and second base with 2 outs. Federation Rule 8, Section 4, Article 2. Abandonment. A runner is out. P, after at least touching first base, leaves the baseline, obviously abandoning the runner's effort to touch the next base. Note, any runner after reaching first base who leaves the baseline headed for the dugout or a defensive position, believing that there is no further play, shall be declared out if the umpire judges the act of the runner to be considered abandoning an effort to run the bases. The batter hits a ball to the outfield and runners begin running home. R2 rounds third base and begins to run to the plate. R2 believes the ball was caught in flight for the third out, and instead of touching home plate, R2 abandons his effort to run the bases and heads towards the dugout. R1 passes R2 and touches home plate. The batter runner runs legally to second base. Normally on an abandonment call, the ball is left live and in play. However, in this example, the abandonment call results in the third out of the half inning. Since the call is the third out of the half inning, no run can score because of the abandonment by R2. The umpire called time, called R2 out for abandonment, and waves off R1's run for touching the plate after the third out was made. It's important to note that if there were less than 2 outs, the umpire would call R2 out for abandonment and leave the ball live and in play, and R1's run would count. However, in this scenario, there were 2 outs when the play began, and R2's out results in the third out of the half inning, negating any run scored on the play.